Papa Cubone here. Another day, another pack. Another video with Cubone, my boy. Another pack of Future Flash, I believe. I'm pretty sure Future Flash. Come on. I think I know what I'm doing nowadays, but yeah. Let's get this open. Yes. If I could open it. You know, put lotion, that's why. Amy. Okay. Yo. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Okay, I think I got it. There you go. You gotta do. Alright. One to the front. Next time, don't put lotion. I'm about to do a video. I don't know his name. Onyx. One of my favorite cards, actually. Oh, one of my favorite Pokemon. Not card. Other than Cubone, of course. Flola, I think? I'm not even sure. Simi, Siege, and Iron Valiant, I believe. I got an EX already? Okay. Look at the glitter, The starry. Alright, see you tomorrow. Even though I missed yesterday. Yeah, but see you tomorrow.